When it comes to land development and construction projects in Noida Extension, it is crucial to hire a professional land surveyor. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the planning and design phase of any project. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land, identifying property boundaries, and determining elevation changes. In Noida Extension, where there is rapid urban development and expansion, it is even more important to have a skilled land surveyor who is familiar with the area and its unique challenges. By hiring a land surveyor in Noida Extension, developers can ensure that their projects are properly planned and designed, minimizing the risk of any future complications or disputes. One of the key benefits of hiring a land surveyor in Noida Extension is their expertise in SCON design. SCON design refers to the process of designing stormwater collection and drainage systems. These systems are essential for managing stormwater runoff and preventing flooding in urban areas. With the rapid urbanization in Noida Extension, proper SCON design is crucial to mitigate the impact of heavy rainfall and ensure the safety and functionality of infrastructure and properties. A skilled land surveyor with experience in SCON design can accurately assess the topography and hydrology of the land, identify potential drainage issues, and design an effective stormwater management system. By incorporating SCON design into the overall land development plan, developers can ensure that their projects are not only compliant with local regulations but also sustainable and environmentally friendly. Hiring a skilled land surveyor is an investment that will pay off in the long run by minimizing risks and ensuring the success of land development projects in Noida Extension. Hiring a qualified land surveyor is essential for construction and land development projects in Noida Extension. Any project's planning and design phase need the expertise of a land surveyor. They are in charge of precisely measuring and mapping the terrain, locating property lines, and figuring out elevation changes. An experienced land surveyor who is aware with the region and its special issues is even more crucial in Noida Extension, where there is significant urban development and expansion. Developers that hire a land surveyor in Noida Extension may make sure that their projects are well thought out and designed, reducing the possibility of any hassles or legal issues in the future. Expertise in SCON design is one of the main advantages of hiring a land surveyor in Noida Extension. Stormwater collecting and drainage system design is referred to as SCON design. These technologies are crucial for controlling stormwater runoff and avoiding urban flooding. Since Noida Extension is rapidly urbanizing, effective SCON design is essential to protect buildings and infrastructure from the effects of heavy rain and to maintain their usability and safety. An expert land surveyor with knowledge in SCON design can precisely determine the topography and hydrology of the terrain, spot potential drainage problems, and create a stormwater management system that works. Developers may guarantee